So what's up guys, welcome to Python tutorial, and in this class we will be learning about the loops. Okay, so let's get started, and let's try to see what we have inside of our loops. So I will create one new file, and I will again save this file as forloop.py on the desktop. You can save this file wherever you want. I am saving these files on the desktop. So now in the previous tutorials we have seen what is this for loop. We have used this for loop, but we have not seen what we can do with this for loop in depth. But now I'll be telling you guys more things about this for loops. So for loop is nothing but it is a loop that is used to iterate over the sequence of code. That sequence of code could be from the list, tuples, dictionary, a set, or a string. Okay, so all these concepts we have already seen in our previous tutorials. So let's get started, and now let's just declare this list over here. I will call this list as a variable one, and inside of this square brackets I will declare few items. Okay, so just like how we have done previously, I will make use of the same values just for your understanding. Okay, so now I have given 5 items over here, which is January, February, March, April, and May. And now suppose I want to print out these items, then I will make use of for loop. I will say for y in variable name of the list. Okay, I will say print y. Okay, so now when I'm just saving this and executing the code, I'm getting this January, February, March, April, May. Okay, so now let me just tell you how this code is getting executed, why this is not moving. Okay, so now let me just say iteration iteration 1 over here. Okay, and for first iteration I will copy this code, paste it over here. Okay, so for first iteration you can imagine things how this I mean this is how things will be going on. Okay, the first iteration the value will be January over here. For January, in this particular variable, which is variable 1, we will say print January. Okay, and because of which I am getting this January over here. And for iteration 2, next time what will happen is, for next iteration it will be Feb. Okay, and for Feb in our list we will be printing out Feb. Okay, and now I will come down below, and now this will be our iteration 3, and for iteration 3 I will say print out March, and now this is how I am getting the output. Okay, so just watch these things carefully. And for iteration 4 I am having this April. Okay, and for iteration 5 I am having this May. Okay, so over here you can see that we are getting this output. Okay, so January, February, I forgot to change this, March, April, and now I am getting this value as May. Okay, so whatever that is present over here, it will come over here and it will be getting printed. So this is how we are getting this output because of this iteration. This is how iterations takes place. So this is the index 0, this is index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4. So all these index values will be coming over here, index values, and after that this for loop will go on continuing as long as this list is not getting looped. Okay, so it will be this for loop will be iterating through this entire list, and after that this is how we will be getting the output. Okay, so most of the people don't know how to iterate through and how to debug the code. So I just thought like showing you guys how this code is working. Okay, and next what we have is looping through the strings. Okay, so now we have seen how to loop through the list. Now if you want, you can even loop through a string, and let me just show you how to do that. I will commenting this code. I will come over here and I will declare one variable 2 over here, variable 2 as, okay, now let me give the name as a Python, and now I will say, let me just for x in variable 2 print x. Okay, so now if I'm just saving this and running this code, so now I'm getting these letters. Okay, so Python. Now let me show you how this code is working. So let's get started and let's try to see how this code is getting executed. So first will be iteration 1. Okay, so for iteration 1, I will be copying this code, pasting it over here. For first iteration, the letter will be P over here. Okay, so letter P will be here. So P in the variable 2, which is over here, we'll say print out P, and because of which we are getting, where is our shell? Okay, so because of which we are getting this first P over here. Now I'll copy this, paste it over here, and now this is for the second iteration. For second iteration, letter will be Y, and we will be getting Y as the output, and for third iteration it will be T, and we will get T over here, and after that it is H, and then over here also it is H, and now we are getting this H, then it will be O, then it will be N. Okay, so basically this is how this iteration goes on, and we are getting the output as Python Python. Okay, so now I will make use of the one more variable over here. I'll say variable 4, and variable, I will assign this variable 4 some values. I will say Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so these are 4 items which are passed by me inside of my list. Now what I'll do is I'll make use of the for loop. Okay, so I'll say for z in variable 4, I'll be printing that z value. Okay, and I will be also making use of the if condition. Okay, so if z is exactly equal to Tuesday, then I will be saying break. I don't want this loop to execute anymore. So now I'm saving and running my code. Okay, so why the hell I'm getting this Python over here? So this code is getting executed. Okay, so now as can be seen, I'm getting the Monday and Tuesday. Now let me show you how this code is working and how this iteration is going on. for iteration 1, what will happen is I will make use of these 3 codes to comment this code. So basically this is how this code is working. Okay, I will copy this, I will paste this over here. For first iteration, the value will be Monday, and it will print Monday over here. Okay, and because of which I am getting this Monday, it will check, okay, whether Monday is equal to Monday, Monday is not equal to Monday, so it won't be breaking the won't be executing this break statement. So now let's just go to the iteration 2, and now let's see what happens in iteration 2. For the next iteration, value will be Tuesday. It will check whether Tuesday is exactly equal to Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday is exactly equal to Tuesday. So now it will execute this statement, which is a break statement, and because this break statement has been executed, now this loop won't be running any further. So that means this Wednesday and Thursday won't be getting printed. This these statements, which is print z, and if z is exactly equal to which is Tuesday, won't be getting executed, and because of which this for loop ends over here only, and because of which we are getting Monday and Tuesday. Okay, so this is how we can make use of the break inside of our for loop. And if suppose now if I want to make use of the continue, I can do that as well. So let me show you how this continue is working. So I will paste this over here. I will copy this code only, and I won't be wasting my time. And let me just paste this over here. Okay, so now what I'll do is instead of break, I will make use of continue. Okay, so if I'm just saving this and running my code, I'm getting Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It was supposed to be getting breaked. Let's see how this code is working. Okay, so now I will cut this statement z, and I will put it outside the scope of if. Okay, so I'll put it over here. Let me just save and run this. Okay, so I'm getting the output as Monday, Wednesday and Thursday. I'm not getting Tuesday over here. Okay, so now let's just see how this code is working. So here is the output, Monday, Wednesday and Thursday. So now let me just show you the execution. I will come over here. I will copy this code to show you all the execution. First is iteration 1. I will copy this. For first iteration, value over here will be Monday. Put this in double quotes for your understanding. I'm just writing if the Monday is exactly equal to Tuesday, it will continue. Okay, and when it comes to the continue, all the instructions after encountering of this continue won't be getting printed. Okay, but since this continue is inside of this if condition, that means we can print the value of Monday. So because of which I will be getting this value Monday printed over here. And now our iteration 2 will start. For iteration 2, what will happen is for iteration 2, value over here will be Tuesday. Okay, so if Tuesday is exactly equal to Tuesday, continue. That means this print statement won't be getting executed. Okay, this won't get executed, and because of which we are not getting Tuesday over here. For next iteration, now I have iteration 3. Okay, for next third iteration, we will be having Wednesday over here, and it will see if Wednesday is exactly equal to Tuesday. No, Wednesday is not equal to Tuesday, so it will continue. Okay, and over here we will be saying print Wednesday, and because of which we are getting this Wednesday over here. But over here this was not getting printed, and because of which we are not getting Tuesday over there. Okay, so next, for next iteration, which is the fourth iteration, what I'll do over here, I will change this to fourth. I will say this is Thursday, and if the Thursday is equal to Thursday, if Thursday is equal to Tuesday, no, it is not equal to Tuesday, so this continue won't be getting executed, and we can print out this Thursday. Okay, and because of this execution, I mean because of this print out statement, I'm getting this Thursday over here, and this is how the code is iterating, and this is how we are getting this output over here. Okay, so thanks for watching.